Wabengia mwanchu muligerere bagetaseni kya Ndizi TV ritukonelia Jumatatu chitariki na 29 Mutenyino yo gatano mwaka bachiri 2023 chinga kingo kwaregania bene asomorobelio bwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge asibali mwensi mogotobwate gwetera asenchira yemitandao tonyora buna Ndizi TV News Digital abaiga nsemo ya YouTube no tole buna Ndizi TV News naende nabogo tweet at Ndizi TV News. Lituko lya lero asenyomba yoborai ya State House mimochio Nairobi nigo morai wense Dr. William Ruto anyareko baga kumwaregania omo Prime Minister wense ya Russia Seleta Saji Lavrov asensemo ya Nairobi amange no manyiwekere koragensemo yabona botuko ne Chinsa isato abuli tangani morai wense ngekerana sege ikaro igorongana ki barareta monchorolio asamangana yobonchorolia asorogongo rwa Afrika mono ense ya Kenya twemanyia yomananda mange asenchira yobwenge nkoirananda sege kekerebosyo egera nkomanyia yomanayanda mange Lituko lya lero ase kaunti ya Kisii mebunge ya Kitutu Chache North nigo ekiombe kemosubati Doris Donya Toto baikirana ase ward ya Monyerero ase skuru mobunenchire mayogo sangano mwana Munyaruka eliogo ikirania lituko lya World Menstrual Hygiene Day eliya kolegete lituko ligoro Jumapili chitariki 23 Mutinyo yo gatano ekeroba aro chembu yabalisukie goika lituko lya lero egere banyale gusangana banabo ase skuru eyo tiango toranyora babwatani korwa ase byombe ao mono korwa ase kaunti ya Kisii au baikirana ase kyombe kyo bunenchire moyo kumusiro mwana Munyaruka na kumuirera ebitamba byobochenu kwene kyobosera chinga kyale ase skuru
Samarieta angoro Kulois Moragwa ngongo korae kaunti ya Kisii bune public health officer na ningaira majukumu ande bune wash coordinator iga twachire ko chengera omwana omoiseke gosomongina ero tokoroka menstrual hygiene day igo yare ko baigoro tare 28 Mutinyo gatano lakini tutokaratanya korero because tageitera bana be skuru igetege tangani ndatebe gento geto chandete tutaranyara go koro moyego yoiga gento gerto koroka myths and misconceptions etokoroka ebimire beito bantu bakagerete birebibe mono abono monta karako genda mugondo akagere kara uchikwachi nyenye kara korore rangi chingeni nabo chikunyara kuma gose omoiseke korore rangi gosomongina tatakeri kwenda sindagoge kyagera korunga tarimo safi legento kyo mwairi abantu abange babate banga to kunyara gusamba party sechiga bagotumeka ngago gusamba to konyora mwana that's why twachirega igato sesa taiza abantu beito to ba information koruga igato gokora to chikwenda chibarasa tutete kuikerekero
chinga kiechyo mo women rep mosubati Doris Donya Toto ni garure nkwana yaena goteba buna emeremo yo mo woman rep no kwene kiabuna ngo sirale abana banyaruka n'abasubati nakikyagarire acha kia umorobelio yobo kwene kiabuna ngo chengari n'abana banyaruka kwene kiabuna ngo ikirane barubosera bwabo chinga kibarase chinga kichabo cy'umutenye elyo wikirania lituko lya World Menstrual Hygiene Day.
Unaona hapa tuko na walemavu. Kazi ya mama county huwa anazunguka every constituency ndio napata kujua ni nini hawa watu wetu wanapitia. At the same time hawa ni wazazi watakwambia watoto wako na shida ya teen pregnancy, mtoto amepata mtoto. Halafu effects bado za FGM ziko hapa kwa wingi. Defilement, mzazi anaenda kuripoti kwa polisi mtoto wake amekuwa defiled. Kushinda huyo victim ashikwe, mzazi ndiye anaulizwa kwa nini wewe huko unachunga watoto. Hawa wazazi wako hapa Kisii watakwambia hakuna kesi ya defilement inakuwa taken serious. Sasa mpaka defilement Kisii imekuwa ni kama salamu tu, mtu anakusalimia. Halafu changa iko kwa wingi. Vijana hawaendi shule, vijana hawaendi kazi, wanapata hii changa inauzwa kila pale, hata bangi. Mimi naona mtu hivi ameketi anavuta na hakuna.
Omorobelio bunoyo nokoreka se county ya Mombasa abwase ababwatani anena basubati korwase byombe ao baikirana se ensemo ya Mombasa abwase bale gusangana omwana omunyaruka nakomoye bitamba byobochenu bunencheremo yokwinyurana guchengera lituke lyobochenu bwabasubati ensengima eliryakorekanete lituko lyeigoro korengana nabobwatani abo nigo baenekire buno koborwa kwe bitamba byobochenu asensemeyo nigo yaireire omubaro omonge bw'abana banyaruka gutaikirana ase chiskuru egento bono kyayireire amarito abwango gosamarita mapema na abange babo gutiga chiskuru asengencho nigo bakoba baiboli bare abe miaka ya igatwa nigo baburie serikali ya county ya Mombasa amona abantu bokuganyo kuya kubakonya unenchera ya mayo konyori bitamba ebibyo bachenu asobonge na Gusii omwana omunyaruka.
Moto tunazozipitia ni kupata mimba za mapema kwa wasichana hasa miaka 13, hasa miaka 13, 15 na 16.
This is a very big problem, and we realize we have not been empowering our girls straight from our households. It is a surprise to me that our own husbands, our fathers do not know how this works, and that's why we are creating awareness.
Kuja na wazo hili la kupeana pads na panties katika eneo la Junda kwa sababu tumeona kwamba ni eneo ambalo linahitaji zaidi, na katika kadri ambavyo tutakuwa katika ofisi tutahakikisha kwamba tumetembelea sub county zote 6 kila mwaka. Ndio tumeanza na Kisauni, mwaka ujao inshallah tutaenda Nyali, kila Shanzu, kila mahali kila sub county tutahakikisha kwamba tumeitembelea.
Omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigarabe negeikaro igoro yemerobeli mekiranu erabe kwe egerense ya Kenya enyare kwegendereria ase okugacheni bo kurwasa abantu babwatobonda bobaganetye kuligyo bonchororia ase ense ya Kenya gokwana somo boganyo yo moime ya Nairobi. Omurai bwense Dr. Ruto nigatebira uchumi ense ya Kenya amone Chinsa chorogongo rwa Afrika nigo chigenderete kuirana nse ase gotumeka dola ase Chinsa chamaiko asaburiria barai bonsi go kwenekia bunango tumeka bare eshiringi gose chishiringi chorogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha gose Chinsa chorogongo rwa Afrika nigaya kwana ya chinga kichege ikaro amona barai gosaba waziri asamangana yobonchororia ase Chinsemo ao asorogongo rwa Afrika.
All struggling, and all our businessmen are struggling, and our traders are struggling to make payments for goods and services from one country to another because of differences in currencies. And in the middle of all this, we are all subjected to a dollar environment. Kenyans want to pay for Tanzanian goods in dollars. Tanzania wants to pay for DRC goods in dollars. Egypt wants to pay. Why are we bringing dollars in the middle of our trade? This is the question we should be asking ourselves. And in the process, all our business people are stranded. Egypt cannot pay for our tea because they are looking for dollars. We cannot pay for their sugar because we are also looking for dollars. You know? And this is I had a conversation with President Orama of the Afri-Exim Bank, and they have built a mechanism where all our traders can trade in the local currency, and we leave it to the Africa-Exim Bank to settle all the payments in local currency.
Omokonyi bw'omurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigo abachikira bobisa n'abanyanyimbo kurwase chi county Ikomi na 4 asorogongo rwa Rift Valley banyare ko bakorwania na gukora ese gigoro yobwengi nobotumeki bwa marwa atancheri kolengana na Gachagua nigatebira maba mange akoretwa kubwatekana n'obwengi bwa marwa yo gati yabona abantu gosirio bogimeki agera mangabo nigo agutwara esumo nigatebire taribobe abantu gutumeke kenyugwekyo kurende nigo bakorwania Kisumu chigotumeka korosia marwayo atancheire nigatebire orongorwo ndo chikoba oromorwabo ase chi license chibaisa kourwa abanyaneme boganyo amanish nyumba cyo kwegokia ali batali kubwatia machiko igoro yekenyugwekyo getancheire.
Personally, I must admit, I used to drink a lot before I got saved. But since I stopped drinking, my things have been very good. That's how I'm deputy president. So I invite those who drink to consider to stop, to drop it. Maybe your things will get better. None of us has a problem with alcohol. But we have a problem with the poison in the name of alcohol. That we have a problem. We have a big problem with poison put in bottles and sachets and described as alcohol. That we have a problem. None of us has a problem with licensed establishments. But we have a problem with licensed establishments selling poison as alcohol. We have a problem. None of us has a problem with licensed establishments selling the right products. But we have a problem with the licensed establishments selling alcohol from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. the following day. That we have a problem. We have a problem with the people who have opened factories in their houses and distilleries and are in hygienic conditions and they are not licensed. That we have a problem. We have a problem with the people who are bringing ethanol across the Tanzanian border in Namanga at night and using it to manufacture poison under the guise of alcohol. We have a problem with that. We are very happy with police officers who are doing a good job. But we have a serious problem with a few of them who have conflict of interest, who have opened bars in the areas where they serve. We have a problem. We have a problem with our police officers who are collecting protection fees. We have a problem with our police officers who are supposed to go and arrest drunkards, but they are more drunk than the people they are going to arrest. That we have a problem.
Ebikore by'ekisegi kya nyomba gosenka nigo bigendrete ko iremeli ase kaunti ya Samburu eyemaiga yege ikarona babwatani balibagendete korwania segi goro yokunererwa ko bwene bo basubati nabana banyaruka ase kaunti ejoli tukolya lero ase yanyorekanire buna basubati abange korwa ase kaunti eyo nigo bakunererwa kolende mbali gwa koroboti ase getaseni kyabanyanyimbo osase byombe biri bikwegerera obwene bwa mwanyabantu nigo basubati baboliwe gwa kachiriboti asobo ikirano bunenjere yemo ya barabugo konywa na korusigwa asense moyo kunererwa amo nabanji babo nabande asabairi babo nigo bayigo babolije basubati mensengima gosekenya ngima banyare ko baba wesokia na korwa bakongo bagwetera se chinka cyabo ocyase byombe biri byo korwanerera obone bwa mwanyabantu
reported. Iko kabisa Samburu, lakini changamoto moja ambayo tuko nayo, cases are not reported. Unapata kama domestic violence isha already watu washa normalize, mtu anaona kama iko ndani labda ya culture yetu ama ni kitu inafaa kufanyikia mzee na mama lazima wagombane.
It's cultural, it's the culture, because you'll find that the main GBV, the most prevalent one are FGM, and also we have the child in marriage, and as per the KDHS we have the teenage pregnancy, which has the prevalence of 50%, and we have to do a lot of sensitization because changing the way of life will take time.
Kunormalize hizi vitu, tumeona wamama wengi wanakufa, wanauliwa katika ndoa akifikiria ni kupendwa, ni kufanya nini. So tumeona watu wengi wakikufa, tumeona wengine pia mental health issues. Unapata mama anatembea tu nafikiria ako sawa, lakini akili yake imeharibika kwa sababu ya mawazo mengi.
Magega yechisegi kwena kiwa gosogo Taiwan na kwena kiwa gatio mugavana we county ya Siaya amono makonyo ye William Oduor wana nigo ege ikaro kia bene gia korekana abwa sebaiwana na sobwamo kumwaka isiko korwase kiama kia ODM korengana no munyakirogo bwe kiamekyo Walter Okelo nigatebiro dual nigo akwibwatirania mono amone kiama kia UDA eyere mamincha ne kiama gose katiba ye kiama kia ODM ekerobono ba muganirie anyare ko baka wetigie mirimo no mokonyi ibwo mu governor ase county ya Siaya.
Of a few officials of the county government opting to prosecute unsubstantiated claims in the media instead of exploring the available dispute resolution mechanisms within the party. Such officials are therefore deemed to be working in cahoots with the UDA party and are therefore no longer recognized as members of the ODM party. It is clear that they are agents of instability and confusion sent to distract the governor from delivering his agenda for the people of Siaya. This meeting, therefore, has unanimously resolved that the Siaya County Deputy Governor be compelled to resign from his position as the DG since he no longer subscribes to the ideals and aspirations of the party. The meeting has therefore resolved that he be expelled and is hereby expelled from the ODM party membership, a process that will be initiated right from the branch, taking effect immediately.
Mugavana we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembea nigarurege kurege tindi wachiase abantu bali bagendrete goswanania na kuburukanio bokoreria segetaseni yechigali gya Kitale yemayega yo kungusana na kororekana matuka makia etire eyue kairira egetaseni kyogosie kwago kwana litikulia lero omo governor Natembea nigo anyara ko bakage kwigora igetuye kyoboya asaboriria banasiasa gotiga gweswanania no bokorari bwegetaseni ekyo gyechigali boigo nigaboriria barundi bonsi asegetaseni ekyo kwene kia masikani no bosera chinga kibagendrete emirimo yabo gosobokorari asegetaseni ekyo.
Jambo la muhimu ambalo ningependa kuhakikishia ni kwamba tukitoka hapa siku ya leo hakutakuwa na ujanja tena katika hii state. Mambo yatafanyika kwa misingi mizuri, mambo yatafanyika kwa mambo ya sheria. Hakuna tena mwananchi wa Kenya atakuja kutezwa na kunyanyasa na mwananchi mwingine na sheria inaangalia. Hiyo maneno yanakwisha leo. Kila mtu ambaye anakuja kutafuta riziki yake hapa bora afuate haki, atalindwa na serikali.
Now, Commissioner bwe county ya Garissa Boaz Cherotich nigarurege kurege tindi gochasa borokigwa bali bagendrete guchanda na kubaita borokigwa bamwabo ase chiskuru aho imeye county eyo aya nigagocha magega yo morokigwa oyomo kumoita na kumotigera chingoma oyo mwabo oyo tana goswa se skuru gesa chiskuru chigorwa chinga kiale kumobolia inkiatana gochira ase skuru ekoru ekyo nigo kiale tribirangere biburukaine asobotenali bwe skuru egento kiaire bono mo county commissioner goimokera igoro na korwege kurege tindi gocha saboro kiwa bali bale nembwa yogo chanda boro kiwa bande gose bali barase birasi byense kubabua.
Juzi tumekuwa na kisa moja katika Garissa town ambapo mwalimu mmoja mwanamke, madam mmoja ambaye alikuwa darasani anafunza, alipigwa na mwanafunzi wa class 6. Hiyo ni aibu kubwa sana. Na tulichukua hatua, tukashika wazazi tukaweka ndani ili tukuonyesha kwamba sheria lazima ifanye kazi. Lakini hata hivyo hatuwezi tukakubali walimu kufulumiwa, walimu kufukuzwa, walimu kutishwa. Hapa Kalmagala Secondary School head teacher alifurushwa mpaka akapigwa transfer. Huko Alinjukur kuna principal moja ambaye imesemekana kwamba atoke huko, lakini tumesema kwamba walimu wetu lazima tuwatunze, tuwapatie nafasi waweze kufunza ili tuweze kuimarisha maneno ya matokeo ya examinations yetu, kwa sababu exams, ile matokeo ya exams bado iko chini kabisa. Na kwa hivyo hilo ndio ile jambo ningependa kuomba viongozi pamoja na wakaji tushirikiane.
Mwanchu murigeria na radio senchira yobwenge kolende asenchira yoboikiranwe kuraga ensa emo ya bono botuko na baigo Chinsa isato chobotuko bwarero inyora lero nelituko lya Jumatatu asemesa ya Amayia no chia kumirana no yominto Evelino Sero na baigo Vincent Onyancha ase umorobelio bwe manye Jumatatu bakomanyia mange ime na isiko yorongoro Gusii na baiga baliki baito korwa Chinsemo au job mangi korwa se county Nyamira Josephat Hamisi Mildred Momanyi Captain 001 Demo Steven gati abande mbagendrete kuyasangereria asenchira yoboikirano wakangambia mona sibali mwensi mwato bwatiri gwetera asenchira yemitandao gendera ko baime Ndizi TV kiagera na bubwansu bwomo Gusii oleto bwatranire komo korwa sensemo yebimanyererio niko namwe babuli tangani kolende nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta oyo minto Abigail Nyanchama oene kire chibicha chagwikeire asenchira yobwororo na inche nako yaletera asenchira yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.